Rex, in terms of completing a project, where do I look for process improvement project? Saan ba makakahanap ng Six Sigma project? Where to look for actual Six Sigma projects? Again, in Six Sigma, it's either you aim to reduce process defects or you'd like to reduce processing time. There are two themes of a process improvement project in Six Sigma. You'd like to reduce process defects or you'd like to reduce processing time. Now, where to look for projects? Number one, process within your department, within your company, within your department. It would be easier because you know the people and you have access to the data. Okay, you know the people, you work with them every day, you have access with the data. It's easier to do. This is the easiest option number one. Start a project within your department. If you cannot do a Six Sigma project within your department, option number two is to look for a process improvement project. Again, it's either you'd like to reduce process defects or processing time outside your department. So, for example, if you're from operations, you cannot do a process improvement project within operations, then you could ask other departments, maybe in HR, you could help them improve a business process, maybe in procurement, maybe in finance, in accounting, okay, and any other parts or other departments of your company. That is option number two. Still within your company, outside your department. Okay. Option number three, if your company is a group of companies, if it's a conglomerate, so for example, years ago when I was a full-time Six Sigma Green Belt, I was working in smart communications and I did a number of projects outside smart. Okay, a number of projects for PLDT, a sister company. Okay, so that's what you mean by option number three. If you cannot do a process improvement project within your company, then look for opportunities of a sister company. Okay, that could be possible also. And we have a number of certified green belts already who did that. Option three. Okay. Now, what if Rex? I have tried looking for a project within our company and our sister company, but I can't find one yet. Okay. Option four could be your next option. Okay. Option four means you go out, you look at your network. Maybe you know an executive of another company. Maybe your family business could be a source also of a project. Huh? Maybe you know someone who owns a big business or a small business. What you could do is try to offer your services either pro bono for free or for a fee. Okay, so meaning you could offer your services as a consultant for free or for a fee. You get to help them and you get to earn your certification also. So it's a win-win situation. Option number four. Option number five is you reach out to nonprofit organizations, and we did it many times already. We have helped a number of nonprofit organizations improve their business processes, improve their collections, improve their finance and accounting, business processes, procurement, and operations, of course. And nonprofit organizations need help from professionals like you, no? Highly skilled professionals like you. Of course, compared with for-profit, nonprofit organizations usually are operating within a very limited budget and they need a helping hand. And of course, you get to earn your certification and you become part of the the CSR, no, component of that nonprofit organization. So here are five options